The future is on your face, and it's smarter than you think. And as we step deeper into 2025, the tech world is louder, faster, and more chaotic than ever. With every week delivering another shiny gadget claiming to transform your life. Yet only once in a while does something come along that actually does. Something that doesn't scream for attention but effortlessly earns it. Something that doesn't just show you the future but lets you wear it. And this time, that something comes from Xiaomi, a company that has made a habit of surprising the tech world by moving differently. Choosing to skip the flashy marketing blasts, the celebrity endorsements, and the billion-dollar partnerships. Instead putting its effort into pure engineering brilliance. And the result is the Xiaomi Smart AI glasses. A device that might just redefine how we think about wearable technology for the everyday person. Because unlike most of the futuristic eyewear we've seen from giant brands, these glasses actually make sense, not because they're showy or extravagant, but because they're built to be used, not to be flaunted. Built for seamless day-to-day living rather than tech demo spectacles. When Xiaomi unveiled these smart glasses, it became immediately clear they weren't trying to take on Meta or Apple in a direct slugfest. Not trying to drop holograms into your field of view or wrap your face in something that looks like a sci-fi helmet. Instead, Xiaomi took a step back and asked a simple but essential question. What do people really want from smart glasses? Do we truly want floating holographic windows hovering in our vision all day, draining battery and drawing attention everywhere we go? Do we want to look like we're wearing a futuristic headset just to read a message from a friend? Or do we want something light, stylish, subtle, actually useful, and unbelievably affordable? And that's exactly the direction Xiaomi followed. Resisting the urge to jam the glasses full of unnecessary AR gimmicks and instead focusing on the three things that matter most: comfort, intelligence, and practicality, resulting in a device that feels futuristic while fitting naturally into the rhythm of life today. One of the most striking features that immediately sets these glasses apart is the camera system. Because Xiaomi built in a 12-megapixel sensor capable of recording crisp 2K video. And here's where the genius really shines. They chose a 4:3 aspect ratio, which might sound small on paper but is incredibly smart in practice. Because it gives creators the flexibility to crop content into both landscape and vertical formats from the exact same clip, meaning you shoot once and you're instantly ready for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform, without reshooting, reframing, or doing complicated edits. And this kind of plug-and-play simplicity is exactly what creators dream of in a world where everyone captures moments non-stop. From travel adventures to daily walks, without wanting to hold a phone or action camera. The stabilization is another high point, because you can walk, turn, and move with surprising naturalness without your footage looking like it was filmed during a mini earthquake. Sure, if you violently whip your head around, you'll still get some blur. But for day-to-day usage, it's shockingly steady for a camera mounted inside something weighing only grams. The controls feel intuitive. A quick tap snaps a photo. A longer press starts recording. Meaning no fumbling for your phone, no unlocking your screen. No rushing to open the camera app while the perfect moment slips away. Instead, you simply raise your head, tap, and capture life as it happens. And that's exactly what wearable tech should reduce down to: instant interaction without friction. Design-wise, these glasses come across as the opposite of bulky. The opposite of those oversized headsets that scream, "I'm wearing a gadget." Instead, they're slim, minimal, and surprisingly lightweight. With the base model weighing only 40 grams, so light, you'll forget you have them on within minutes. And even after adding prescription lenses, you barely reach 54 grams, which is significantly lighter than Meta's Ray-Ban Meta Smart glasses and makes an enormous difference for long-term comfort. Xiaomi offers two frame styles: a clean classic design that suits almost any face, and a semi-transparent one that subtly reveals a hint of the internal tech, giving a futuristic edge without feeling nerdy or exaggerated, and even the small touches show care, like a nose bridge that doesn't pinch, slide, or dig into your skin, which anyone who wears glasses daily understands is a rare blessing. This is tech that feels human, comfortable, discreet, functional. But what truly transforms these glasses from a cool gadget into something genuinely revolutionary is the AI integration. Most companies try to cram powerful processors inside the glasses themselves, which leads to heating issues, added weight, and terrible battery life. Xiaomi, however, went in the opposite direction, offloading heavy processing to your smartphone while keeping the glasses light, efficient, and cool. This is how they deliver so much AI power without turning the glasses into a miniature overheating computer. And this is why the battery life is so impressive. The glasses connect to your phone via HyperOS, Xiaomi's AI platform, but also work seamlessly with tools like ChatGPT, meaning you can ask questions, translate text, summarize conversations, or even get contextual information in real time hands-free. You can literally walk down the street and say, "Translate this sign," or "What's the weather in Tokyo tomorrow?" Or "Summarize the last message I received," and you'll hear the answer through the open-ear audio system instantly. And speaking of audio, Xiaomi deserves enormous credit for getting this part right. Using a dual-driver open-ear design that sits near your temples, producing clear, balanced sound while still letting you hear your surroundings traffic, conversations, footsteps, making it not just smart but safe. Many testers even said the natural listening experience feels more comfortable than wearing AirPods for long periods because your ears remain open and relaxed. Microphone quality is another standout. With a 5-mic array that captures your voice clearly even in noisy places, essential for AI commands, voice notes, calls, and real-time translation. And yes, the translation feature is shockingly futuristic, allowing you to have real conversations across different languages with only a slight delay. Not perfect yet, but undeniably useful, especially when traveling, ordering food, or asking for directions. There's also AI vision recognition, where you simply look at an object and ask, "What is this?" And the glasses identify it's something incredibly helpful for accessibility and just plain cool for daily curiosity. Battery life reaches around 8 hours of mixed use, enough for a full day, and continuous video recording lasts around 40 to 45 minutes, which is solid for a device this small. The charging system is thoughtful too, using an angled cable that lets you keep wearing the glasses while charging from a power bank in your pocket. Xiaomi even offers an electrochromic version, letting you switch lenses from clear to tinted instantly with a swipe, turning them into sunglasses on command. No swapping, no carrying an extra pair. Of course, no device is flawless. The biggest limitation is software optimization, as most AI features are still tuned primarily for Chinese, and while English support exists, translations and responses sometimes lag or misinterpret complex phrases. But these are software problems, not hardware ones. And Xiaomi has a history of rapid updates. Another limitation is the absence of a full AR display. There are no floating messages, maps, or holograms hovering in your vision, but honestly, that's part of their charm. Xiaomi isn't trying to replace your reality but enhance it in practical ways. And now we come to the price, which is where Xiaomi absolutely upends the industry, offering the standard version for around $280. A shockingly low price point considering the technology and significantly cheaper than Meta's glasses or anything Apple adjacent. Even the electrochromic model remains cheaper than many mid-tier wearables. At this price, Xiaomi isn't just competing, they're dominating by making futuristic tech accessible to everyday people. So who should get these glasses? Content creators who want effortless POV footage, tech enthusiasts who want a glimpse of the future, travelers who benefit from translation and AI assistance, or anyone who wants a useful daily gadget that handles calls, music, and AI tasks without cluttering their pockets. They're not meant to replace full AR headsets or high-end cameras. And that's perfectly fine because they excel at what they are designed for: real life. In a world obsessed with overcomplication, Xiaomi's smart AI glasses stand out for their clarity of purpose. They don't try to do everything. They simply do the right things extremely well. Lightweight, smart, functional, affordable, and quietly futuristic. They present a real vision of where wearable tech is heading, not toward bigger screens or more intrusive overlays, but toward technology so seamless it melts into daily life. My final opinion is that Xiaomi nailed the balance between innovation and usability. The camera, comfort, AI integration, and thoughtful design make them genuinely helpful tools rather than gimmicks. And if Xiaomi continues improving the software, especially language support, these glasses could become one of the most important wearable tech milestones since the Apple Watch. They prove that the future of AI isn't about adding more screens, it's about letting tech fade into the background until it feels like an extension of you.